Hey guys, I'm Drew Vogel from Sepio Systems, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the USB's vulnerability against foreign executable files. So I've gone ahead and downloaded a pretty standard, well-known endpoint security suite on my computer, and as you can see, I have all the relevant security policies and updates ready to go and armed our computer against any threats. So we can actually test this with a common USB thumb drive loaded with a non-lethal executable file. So if we go ahead and plug this into our computer, we can see that the security system does not let us run or open this file. And we can try to copy it onto our desktop, which it does let us do, which is actually a bit concerning for an endpoint system. And we're prompted with an error message, but we could actually go ahead and run this file. And now before we go ahead and talk about the Sepio solution, we're going to go ahead and try to create that same file on our desktop, but this time without being flagged by the endpoint security. And to do this, we're going to use the Hack5 USB rubber ducky. And what this will do when plugged into our computer, as you can see, it pops up as a USB keyboard device, and it's acting as a keyboard emulator, and it's keystroking out that executable file directly onto our desktop by using PowerShell, using the computer's own keyboard to create the file. And as you can see, it's finishing up, saving it to the desktop, and now we have that same file directly on our desktop, which we have full access to, can run it, move it wherever, which is a bit concerning. So now that we're aware of the vulnerabilities of the USB, we can go ahead and walk through the Sepio security platform and show how it completely protects your computer against foreign USBs. And by opening up the platform, we can locally configure it and approve any USBs that we actually want our computer to have access to, and then we can go ahead and arm the system. And now that our computer's armed, it will completely block any foreign USBs, whether it be the USB thumb drive or the USB rubber ducky. We have full protection. So we can go ahead and plug in the rubber ducky. Which then, as you can see, pops up as an unapproved USB device and locks the computer. We can then do the same thing with the thumb drive, plug into the computer, and again, pops up as an unapproved USB device threat. So that about covers our intro into USB security. Again, I'm Drew from Sepio. Thanks for watching.